Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to start with new topic and the topic name is pronoun. So what do you understand by the pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun that is known as what? Pronoun. For example, you can see here Ram will not come today because he is ill. So we have used he in place of Ram. Rather than repeating the noun Ram, we have used here he for Ram. So what is he here? It is pronoun. Alright. Now we shall understand what are the various types of pronoun or the kinds of pronoun. So the first type or the kind is personal pronoun. Now what is the definition of personal pronoun? So personal pronoun is a pronoun that is used for a person, a place, or a thing. For example, I am a boy. So what is pronoun here? I. It is a tree. What is pronoun here? It. You are a teacher. What is pronoun here? You. Now, there are three types of personal pronoun. Alright, kinds of personal pronoun. First person, second person and third person. Alright, now we shall understand what is the meaning of first person. First person means a person who speaks. Second person, the person who listens, that is listeners. Okay, who listens. All right. Suppose that right now I am speaking. So who is the first person? I. And who is listening to me? You all are listening to me. So you are the second person. Come to the third person. Person or thing whom we are talking about. All right. For example, if I say this mobile is very nice. So I am talking about the mobile. So who is speaking? I am speaking. So I is here first person. You are listening. So you are the second person. And I am talking about the mobile. So mobile is the third person. All right. Now come to the next topic, that is the next type, that is interrogative pronoun. So what is the definition of interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronoun is used for asking a question, a pronoun that is used to ask the question. For example, what is this? Who are you? Which is your pen? What is your name? So these are the examples of interrogative pronoun. Now come to the another type, that is demonstrative pronoun. So you can see here demonstrative pronoun basically points out. Here please add s. Demonstrative pronoun points out a thing, a person or place. In this demonstrative pronoun, we use these, that, those. Now see the example. This is a book. These are my books. And you know very well, this demonstrative pronoun is used for singular number and for the nearby object. Alright. These are my books. These demonstrative pronoun is used for plural number and nearby object. Alright. Next, see the example of that. That is a box that is used in singular number and which is far away from you. That is a box. Similarly, those. If the objects are far away from you, then you can use what? Here, if it is, the object is far away, all right? But the object, if the object is singular number, then we will use here that. Otherwise, for the plural number, we shall use those. Those are your apples. Now come to the another relative pronoun. Relative pronoun point out its relation with the noun used before it. All right. So here, the boy who works hard must pass. Here, the boy, we are connecting this boy with who. So who is what here? Relative pronoun. Again, see here, because it is showing here its relation with the noun. All right. Similarly, this is the pen which you gave me yesterday. Here, which is what? Relative pronoun. Why? Because it is showing here the relation of this pen, that is noun, with the other word. All right. Now come to the reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? Please listen very carefully, because pronoun and adjective, these are the two topics in which you may be confused. All right. So please focus here. Reflexive pronoun, the action done by the subject turned back upon it. All right. For example, the boy, we can take I'm going to give you some easy example of reflexive pronoun. Try to understand. I would like to tell you in Hindi also reflexive pronoun, because it is a little difficult. All right. So reflexive pronoun, for example, do not deceive yourself. अपने आप को धोखा मत दो. She hurt herself. So here what we see, the action, that means the work done by the subjects, turn back upon it. All right. जो कर्ता काम करता है उसी के ऊपर उसका जो है फिर से प्रभाव पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, शी हर्ट हरसेल्फ, उसने स्वयं को चोट पहुंचाई. So here we use self word. If it is what? Singular. Like he. So he will become what? Himself. If there is what? She. Then it will be what? Herself. And if it is you, then it will be what? Yourself. For example, you cook food yourself. Alright? Now try to understand the another one. And if there is the plural number, for example, we hurt ourselves. So here, in place of self, we shall use here what? Selves. V-E-S. Ourselves. So I shall give you Hindi PDF also. Your concept will be more clear. Today, I'll send you one PDF and you have to read that PDF. Alright. Now, come to the emphatic pronoun. The pronoun used to emphasize. What is the meaning of emphasize? Force देना, किसी पे जोर देना. Alright. So the pronoun used to emphasize is called emphatic pronoun. For example, he himself did it. They themselves cooked food. Here, what we are doing, we are emphasizing. Just he, after that, what I have written, he himself, मतलब वह स्वयं. ठीक है. Similarly here, they themselves, उन लोगों ने खुद ही स्वयं ही खाना बनाया. All right. So here we are emphasizing the pronoun. All right. We are emphasizing here. So this is the example of emphatic and reflexive. Please, please try to understand the difference between reflexive pronoun and in emphatic pronoun. In emphatic pronoun, we emphasize. हम लोग इस पे जोर देते हैं. All right. And here, what is the difference? The action done by the subject turns back upon it. So your concept will be more clear when you will read in detail. All right. See the next one. Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun refers to person, place, or thing. For example, one at a time. Each did the work. Each of them said so. So in distributive pronoun, we use each. All right. We use none also. For example, none of them took part in the race. All right. So these are the examples of distributive pronoun. Now come to the indefinite pronoun. In some book you can see this type also. Refers to the pronoun, refers, that is indefinite pronoun refers to persons, places or things in general way. When we when we talk generally and it refers to person, place or thing, then it is what? Indefinite pronoun. For example, one must be honest. Here nothing is definite. Here one must be honest. We don't know who is one. Alright, so we are talking about general way. We are talking about in a general way what? So one must be honest. Similarly, another sentence you can see here. Somebody has stolen my book. I don't know who is that person. So nothing is definite here. That is why here somebody is what? Indefinite pronoun. All right. So this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.